Okay, on that part 5 of changing this this coil off the compressor on the 2008 Honda Odyssey. Okay, I told you on the last video about the screw that holds the ground, and it holds a clip that holds everything in place. So I did loosen it up using this contraption here with about 5 or 6 extensions going down. So I'm going to go ahead and spin that some more. I've got it loose so you can see it spinning. You can probably hear the ratchet spinning. I'm just spinning it by hand right now. So okay, the screw's all the way out. Hopefully you can see that. So now I can pull my coil off. So let's get underneath here, and hopefully the wires won't be jammed up on anything. Alright, saw the screw come falling down. Okay, this is my coil, and like I was concerned about, the new coil is not the same. So the new coil has a connector on it right here, which probably would have been really nice if I had that. So I'll have to see either if I can get the wire, and we've got a U-Pullet scrap yard in town here, so I'll go see about getting that. In the meantime, I'll do some tests on both of these, make sure the old one's bad and make sure the new one works. If I have to, I can send this one back and get the other one. I believe this was for 2008, and I think this was for 2007. Okay, YouTube, I'll keep you posted, and we'll go back together with it. We're ready to go now. We got all the disassembly apart. Let me go ahead and show you where the compressor is. I didn't get a chance to show you getting this snap ring off, but I did show you that it was not easy, but it got fairly easy once I got those CRAFTSMAN snap ring pliers. So that's the compressor. Now I can't pull the compressor out because I've got my Freon lines still hooked up. I'm not going to unhook my Freon lines. The system's still charged. Let me show you this snap ring tool again. There's a number on it. It looks like 4-5. Let's see here. Looks like 45490 on your CRAFTSMAN snap ring pliers, and these work like a charm. The problem is, though, you've got to pull this compressor down so you can actually get the pliers up inside the coil to get them loose. So that's the whole reason we had to unbolt this down. So okay, YouTube, hope all this helps. We're still on like part 5, part 6, something like that. All right, thanks a lot.